In today's equity index futures markets, let's take a look at the S&P 500 futures as they're unable to hold gains for a third consecutive session. And today we're looking at the futures market trading down to the lowest level since really the beginning of July. So these last three sessions have basically negated the early strength that we did see in July. Now on Tuesday we saw the S&P 500 futures trade at an all-time high before giving up some ground here. And now over three sessions we're trading at basically better than 3-week lows here today. Right around the 5,550 level here as we move towards the close, which is down about 0.75% today and near the lows of the session. Driving factors, the rotation I think that we're seeing unfold through July is starting to take effect as we're seeing again the tech sector, some of the big leadership names coming under some heavy selling pressure, and also valuation being called into question as we start off earnings season. For the most part, so far, earnings have been pretty decent, but maybe not up to the levels that the market had anticipated. Plus, based on the metrics in the market, it did appear valuations were stretched coming into the month of July. Also, we're seeing, again, some areas of rotation in other asset classes, and I think that's why we're seeing a pickup in volatility and a pickup in some of the selling pressure here as we close out the week. Now, looking at the general trends, today we're looking at the S&P basically trading at the lowest level since July. NASDAQ trading at the lowest levels in about a month now, so we're going back to near the end of June for the NASDAQ levels, and also really, after some early strength throughout this month, the Russell and the Dow are also giving up some ground here again today. And so the general trends have been lower across the board here. S&P 500 futures continuing to realize some selling pressure moving into the close, near the lows of the day, as the third day of selling continues in the futures market.